Want to make this map animation in Canva? Go to Canva and click video, landscape video, and go to apps and type map video. Choose this app and you can change the video duration. Let's make 10 seconds. Let's change the type of the plane. Let's use this one and choose the first country. Let's use, for example, Brazil. Destination country, let's make, for example, Thailand. Click add text and click create video. Wait for a while and click start over. Create video again and adjust the size of your video to fit exactly the page. And here is the final results.